Pinagpagawangan, the enemy, the on the run, attack his family. Gather at the riverbank, the enemy clan, bodyguard the chief, since he's a dead man. Sound of signal, pangazo to position, pisang on command, awaiting his premonition. No chorus into sumangar battle cries, parang bang spears lightning from the sky. Enemy retaliate in a triple threat, Peter in the air, beating 3 heads to the ground, some more than the rest. Battlefield's a scar, he cut it on his chest. Peter pushed to an ambush, swallowed the pride. Got nowhere to run, got nowhere to hide. Katama as the key, whenever on the attack. Kapatayon to the end, he never looks back. Of the ritual crowd he remembers, put to the test, kill the robber clan member. He pictures everything in his memory. Enemy big for his life, leashed on a tree. Imbaran protect him on first mission. Pangazo guided him in maglawang positions. Protector of the tribe and family. Fate was written, legendary destiny. Check the head, leave the body to Chicago. Advice from the elders, the story was told. Kikulu in Barayik, Dan, people of the back. Up the ridge, cross the river, journey on the hidden tracks. This is how to rise above the enemy. Make them run, make them suffer heavily. If the enemy attacks in the broad daylight, launch kapatayon in the full moonlight. Hear the blood gush whenever in the battle. Chosen by King 9, he was placed on this cradle. Rather die than be a slave, that's why he fights every day, every night to protect the rights of the promised land. Koboniyo, haming tagazo of brave heroes, kaning Masalah. Kung sanat, ferocious of the more fierce months of Piyad. But why succumb to willing compromise? Promises of riches that made you sacrifice your pride, your people, you sold your Tulun. To the gunners now, regret in do my ruin. If I die tonight, open the rap for me. Love my sons, continue my legacy. Tulun to go, never be sold on a plate. Make this promise in your heart, forever change your fate.
It was back in Kenya when I met this pretty girl, young dazzling princess, she left me in a twirl. Hair was damn fine, her dressing was simple. Every time she smiled, you could see her pretty dimples. I knew she was too young, so I just became a friend. She was still in school, I didn't try to apprehend. I met her at a party at my grandma's place. Music was sumazao, and tapay was a taste. I was hanging with the peeps, getting in line. It's a pundok stew for me to dine. So I say, hey baby girl, thanks for the game. I think you're kinda cute, could you tell me your name? I could see that she was blushing and feeling kinda shy. I knew she was a fan the way she looked me in the eye. No need for introductions, the name is Atama. One day I'll sweep you off your feet, take you to Bahamas. Yo, what's up, man?
Nukura ko di ka mau boros orang putih.
Oh, what? Can I?
Mau boros dusun ba ya?
Pobros dusun, tanong timpo ng TikTok, ya? No susu aku hilo id kampung nga o sukar aku hilo bandar do KL. Pakaraja sengulun mon sing ding ogumu tambal ogumu nogi paminat. Insan do tada minut aku hilo kampung minongoy ruba to pinay om tambalut. Au olingay molohing ko pusanku mogi tata bi mengurudo langatku. Masuk rumah mai miampai nogi tambalut no silikan ku iso sumandak talawa sumandak kampung nga olumis ngingis daw.
Tututun kada hogel bagian ngaranku.
Mantan no di kagayat o ginawa ku buli nang kumin tutuno kudika sabut tangan nu pingigit di longon nu hata kondo ho man po tanda mata.
lawak dia sinding no atama.
Terima kasih nak ya.
Ngajau hip hop ya. Miagait onu ti tulun toy tom ya.
Hehe, auto hot.
Ngam nai no. Onu cerita itu semanak no.
Sabaran pedas. Harus ceritakan ku untuk kita. Kisah ngabi minuli oku itkel miagal tomoy mo asibuk kumaraja. Misining hiti.